Now we're having another topic, which is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to the square of the sum of perpendicular and the base sides. What do I mean? That is, when you're having a triangle in this shape, this side is a hypotenuse side, which is labeled c square. It is usually equals to the sum of these two sides. When you sum this side, this A, which is the perpendicular side, and the B, which is the base side, when you sum them up, you must get the same answer with what you are having here as your C, as your hypotenuse. Like for example, if I'm having 36 as my hypotenuse, the sum of these two must be equals to 36. When I square the two and I sum them up, I must ensure that they are 36. That is the only thing that can make it a right angle triangle. If it is not, if the sum of this is not equals to this, then it is not a right angle triangle. And that is the point, what Pythagoras said. He said, in a right angle triangle, the square of this, which is the hypotenuse, must be equal to the sum of these two. That is the law of Pythagoras. So in every triangle, the hypotenuse side is always bigger than the two other sides, and it is usually opposite the angle 90. How do you recognize the hypotenuse side? It is usually a bigger side in a triangle. You can see this hypotenuse side is way bigger than the other two sides. If you use your ruler to measure this, you realize that this side is bigger than the remaining two. So